What's going on, Marissa here with the No Boss Live channel, the person that is helping you get closer and closer to breaking the cycle of the rat race. Also somebody you can actually reach out to and get a response from if you are needing help with actually making money online. Before I get into this video, I want you to comment. Even if you've left a comment on my videos before, I want you to tell me what your financial goal is. How much money are you wanting to make on a daily basis? Is it $100 a day? Is it 200? What is it? Whatever you were just about to put down in that comments, let me just give you a little tip here. Raise it. I'll come back to that in a second, and I'll tell you why you want to raise your financial goal. I have been making money full-time online since 2013. Before I tell you the awesome strategy that I actually I've been using since 2013 to make a full-time income, you know, what was I doing before that? I was at a 9-to-5 job that I can't necessarily complain that much about, because I'm grateful that I even had a job, right? And I was able to make money, but I wasn't making a whole lot of money. It was taking a lot of my time. I was still broke. I was depressed. And I always knew I was going to do something in life that was going to be different from the rest of what everybody else does for money, which is go to school, get a degree you may like, you know, find a job, work for somebody else, you know, for a real long time, and then hopefully you have enough money to retire on when you get to that age. I knew I was going to not do that with my life. At that time when I had that job, I didn't know what it was going to be. But I remember stumbling across, and I'm telling my story a little bit. Some of my subscribers are like, oh my God, she's telling her story again. Listen, there are people out there who don't know who the heck I am, and I gotta tell my story all the time. So anyways, literally like days before New Year's 2013. It was December like the 30th or something like that of 2012. Like it was like one day after I found this guy who on YouTube who was actually making like a decent amount of money, and he didn't seem like a guru. Like he seemed like an average person, and he wasn't making like crazy amounts of money, which you would probably think, why wouldn't you find somebody making a crazy amounts of money? At that time, I saw people who were making crazy amounts of money as probably people who were running scams, you know, saying that, you know, you just plug into their system and you're going to start making $5,000 tomorrow. Like, he wasn't like that. And so I took a chance and I got with what he was talking about, and it's been a strategy I've been using ever since. Yesterday, I had another $500 day. I've been consistently making anywhere from $200 to $400 consistently every single day. My big goal, and I say it in my videos a lot, my big goal is to get to where I'm making $1,000 per day online, which is the biggest financial goal I've ever really, I guess, made, like actually wrote down, and I'm like wanting that. I've heard from people who are really successful before, like, to raise your financial goals, because it's better missing a little bit of a big goal than missing well below on a small goal. So if you're like, I want to make $10 a day online, raise it to 20, because you'll surpass that $10 a day. I don't know if that makes any sense, but I don't know. This is the first time I've really put a big goal like that down, and I recently almost hit $1,000 in one day, and all I know is if I can just hit it one time, I know I'll be able to do it again and again and again. I guess maybe it's a form of that law of attraction type of stuff, if you believe in that. All I can say is I have really gotten blessed from just increasing my mindset to want to go to a much higher level than I've ever been at before. So what is it that me and many other people are using to make this kind of money on a daily basis? I'm with a really cool direct sales opportunity where all I'm doing is copying and pasting ads onto social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, Pinterest, you know, any social media platform like that. This direct sales company literally gives us ads we can actually post onto those platforms. And what happens, and they're not paid ads, when those posts get made, you're targeting people who are looking for something exactly like what we have to offer. People are going to ask you for information. You're going to send them a website that gets created for you. And in fact, I literally just made $100 right now. I'm trying to cover this person's name here. James. That's cool. Anyways, what happens is once they request information from those ads that you post, you're going to send them a website that gets created for you by this company, okay? And once you send them that website, the site does all the selling and telling for you, and people literally have the option to get with something that's going to change their financial life, just like James just did. And as you can see, I wasn't talking to James. I wasn't messaging him right now. Like, That's those copy and paste ads working for me while, I mean, I'm kind of working, I guess, making this video. What I'm saying is, even if I wasn't making this video, that sale would have come in. You can kind of think of this opportunity as being like an affiliate marketing program. Affiliate marketing is being able to make money with selling other people's products or services. Just like a car salesman would make a commission when they sold a car, that's kind of the same concept here, except with this affiliate offer, we get 100% commissions paid out to us either in a PayPal or a Stripe account. To prove that sale even further, I'm going to log into my Stripe account so you can see I clicked on my dashboard here, and there we go. I'm at 125 today so far, and yesterday was a $500 day, and so that was pretty awesome. Thought I almost got another one. That's why I looked down at my phone real quick. So I commend you for wanting to go out there and find something that you can actually plug into to help you start making passive income. It has literally been life-changing for me. Now, I hope you're, you know, inspired by my results, but don't be fooled. You know, this is taking a little bit of work. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme, okay? There's a little bit of a learning curve, but if you're somebody dedicated like I was, I know when I first started seeing people make money online, I was like, I'm going to freaking do this, and I have. So if you're that kind of person, I want to work with you. I want to help you and guide you to show you how I went from literally being a broke person to being able to make up to $500 on a daily basis. So again, there's a link in my video description below you can click on to check out this opportunity more in detail. I go more in depth and everything like that, and you can decide if you want to join my team or not. That's basically it. Talk to you guys later and have a blessed day.